Hey, it's Wes. I want to give you the top 6 things to do to prepare for your open house. First of all, a few weeks in advance, have the realtor come out and walk you through the process of having the open house and give you ideas that you need to do to prepare for that open house. Decluttering, a great, very high recommended idea when you're selling your house at any time. We also want to price it properly because there's different websites. You could price the house a few dollars too high and not get that surge of showings. Professional photos and videos. Have the agent bring a professional out there. A picture says 1,000 words, and we want to maximize the exposure. So don't use iPhone photos. Get them professionally done. 3D Matterports, drone videos. That's going to cast a wide net to bring everyone in. Curb appeal. Cut the yard, trim the bushes, mulch them. That first impression is so big for people to come see it. And usually the outside is the main photo that go on all the websites, so it's got to look good. Signage and social media posts, those are also great ideas to get those out in advance. People at work will tend to sneak and see what's going on for the weekend. You want your house to be shown and have people excited to come see it. So those are some of the tips. Please comment, send me your questions. Thanks for watching.